Hi guys, this is the first day of creating digital agency, and the task for today are defining the offering and creating website section templates, and that's it. I think that creating section templates for the website will take me a lot of time. That's why that's like the only thing that I'll be doing today. It also may go to another day or even day three, depending on how will it go. But yeah, I already did the offering, and what I've decided is I'll be taking 300 Polish currency a month. Um, you should tailor this to your own country or your own demographic. Um, but I think that's very good price in Poland, and the client will be getting 10 to 15 pages up front. So, like for 300 currency, 300 Polish currency, 10 to 15 website up front is like crazy value. And like, yeah, that's a lot. And on top of that, the client will be getting missed callback, missed call text backs, so that if their clients call them and they won't reply, then they will get like a text back that's will say like, "Hey, I'm not available right now," or "I'm doing something right now, and I'll call you back later," or something like that, so that they know that the client will get back to their clients, basically. Um, all in one inbox, so that the client can message um, their clients uh, from Facebook, from Instagram, from Messenger, I don't know, email, text, even. Um, so yeah, this is very nice. 5-star review funnel. Um, this is very good for local businesses because a lot of people judge like um, the company based on the reviews that they have on their Google account. So that's very important. And automated lead follow up. This also will be added. And yeah, for today, we're only focusing on the website, on the templates, and for the next days, I'll be focusing on the rest of the stuff. But yeah, that's it for today, and I'll get to you back once I finish the website templates, or I find any, or I encounter any problems. So yeah, see you soon. Okay, guys, I'm back. So I've created some sections that I'll be able to reuse, and I did not wanted to use the templates from Go High Level. When you create a website like test, let's call it a test, and you create new website, new page, you can use an existing template. Oh, this is actually not the correct example. Right here, create new website, and you can use templates that Go High Level created. And what I've read online is that those templates often are very bad in terms of performance, because there's hidden code and hidden styles behind it, and you cannot edit those. So it's quite bad in that terms for now, at least. So what I've decided to do is, at first I wanted to create components myself using Go High Level elements. Like in here, you have elements that you can drop down over here, and create a new section, and add things, add navigations, buttons, images, stuff like that. But I found it that it's very hard to like tailor it to what I want, because like I could like resize this image, let's say like that, and it will be fine for now. But when I change it to like other image, I will have to resize it once again. So that's kind of bad, and I really didn't like that. So then I started testing like adding custom code, because custom CSS, because in Go High Level you can add custom CSS, and I was trying to edit those elements from Go High Level with custom CSS, but it was very hard, and yeah, it was not working very well. So I gave up on this idea, and what I did instead is I created because right here you have something like custom code, custom code. You can drop it and it looks something like that. You can click here and and you can go open in code editor. And what I did is I created the sections I want in code editor. It was using ChatGPT, that's why the code looks so broken. But only the navigation was created with ChatGPT. Other sections I created a different way. I will tell you soon. So yeah, I've added here I see HTML and JavaScript, and right here I added my own CSS styles, right? And this works very well for me. As you can see, I can have buttons and I can edit it however I want. One important thing that I also did is I added a custom code for theme style, and I can edit my theme CSS how do you say that, CSS theme variables, right? So then when I'm using custom CSS, I can just specify this, and thanks to that, when I'll be recreating the website, the only thing that I'll have to change is right here. There's Go High Level has like an option for adding values. I don't remember where it is. Maybe I'll find it. I think it was in settings, and yeah, there is custom values, and I was trying to add custom theme values in here, so that I can specify colors and stuff like that, and I could change it all in here, but it didn't work very well, at least in CSS, because and you go here and you go to custom CSS, right? The code is formatted. It's like there's a preter added, so if I like break this and I click save, it's it fixes the code so it looks nice. So it was breaking my variables, right? So that's why I'm using script right here, custom code script. And I also have custom code for like global items. So this is for buttons. I still need to add inputs and stuff like that. So that's not yet finished. This actually I can remove. I just kept it so that I can show you, but I don't need it anymore. So this is how it looks. I have two navigations, and I cannot see it like in here, but once I go to the preview, then I can see the my navigation. I would have to save it so that it's updated. Yeah, now I have my navigation that I can edit however I want. So yeah, and I did it for other sub pages. So for example, I can go to services, and I can I click it? Yeah, I can click it. And here I have my services, and I can hover over them and do anything I want. And it's also more, how do I say it, mobile friendly. Yeah. So like contact. Yeah. And I have my contact form and map, and here's the another section. So all those sections that I'm showing, I did not create them by myself, right? Only the how do I say it? Navigations, the sections from the navigations, those two, I'll show you, were created by ChatGPT. So there was nothing at all other than ChatGPT, and it's working good, so that's fine. And I was trying to create other pages, but I found like issues with like just ChatGPT generating good enough sections, good enough templates. So what I did instead, I went online and I found like HTML, CSS templates, and I just I think I used this one. I'm not sure. Yeah, I used this one, and I just downloaded some websites. And if I liked a section, I was going to ChatGPT and I told it, hey, extract this this section, and I want it so that the styles for the sections include, for example, navigation 1, because I don't want something to be like, yeah, you understand how, I hope so, conflicting, right, with other styles. So that's why I have navigation 1 and navigation 2. And if I want to like copy navigation 2, then I just copy those styles, and yeah, and I paste them to the website. Navigation styles are actually quite long because it also contains the mobile view, which has a mobile menu. So that's why it's broken like that. I mean, that's why it's so long like that. Yeah, so that's why I did today, and it took me a while. It's currently 10 p.m. So yeah. Yeah, so that will be it for today. I've created those sections, and I feel comfortable that tomorrow I'll be able to create basic websites, and I don't know what I'll do else tomorrow, but yeah, that's it for today. So thank you for watching, and see you in the next day. Bye.